Good morning, students. Today we'll be starting with exercise 6C. All right. Question number 11, slab 2. So in question number 11, in the figure, ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. So we have to show that angle ADC is equal to ABC. So let us solve this problem. All right. All right, answer. So you write given you will write ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is a quadrilateral. All right, and what are the condition? Also AB is parallel to DC and AD is parallel to BC. All right, so next, what do we have to find? All right, to prove, what do we have to prove? Now we have to prove that angle ADC is equal to angle ABC. All right, now proof. All right, now considering AB is parallel to DC. All right, so AB is parallel to DC. So since AB is parallel to DC, we can say that AD is the transversal line. All right, so if AD is a transversal line, then we can say that these two angles are equal. All right, and what pairs of angle do they form? They form consecutive interior angles. All right, so considering AB is parallel to DC and AD is the transversal line. All right, we get, so you write here, we get angle BAD plus angle ADC is equal to 180 degree. So you name this as equation 1. And what is the reason for this one? They are consecutive interior angles. All right, consecutive interior angles. So is it clear how we got consecutive interior angles? Because AB is parallel to DC, so therefore AD will be the transversal line. So these two angles will form consecutive interior angles. All right, so why why do they form consecutive interior angles? Very simple, because AB is parallel to DC. All right, again considering AD is parallel to DC. All right, now next AD is parallel to BC. All right, so therefore AB will be the transversal line. So if AB is a transversal line, so we can say that angle A is equal to angle B. And what pairs of angle do they form? Consecutive interior angles. All right, why do they form consecutive interior angles? Because AD is parallel to BC. All right, and AB is a transversal line, so the two angles in between the two line segment, they form consecutive interior angles. So and AB is a transversal line? Is a transversal line. We get angle BAD plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degree. Reason: consecutive interior angles. Alright, so we name this as equation 2. Alright, so next what we'll do is we will compare the two equations. Alright, so when we compare the two equations, you write from equation 1 and equation 2, we get, so we have angle BAD plus angle ADC is equal to angle BAD plus angle ABC. So from the two equation we can see that so from the equation we can see that we have two angles which are common. So the common angles, we can cancel them. Alright, angle BAD, angle BAD. Even if suppose if you do not understand this one, angle BAD, if we transpose the side, it will become a negative. So BAD minus BAD will get cancelled. Alright, so therefore angle ADC is equal to angle ABC. Proof. Alright, so I hope this is clear. Very simple. Alright, next we will be starting with question number 12. So in question number 12, if two straight lines are perpendicular to the same line, prove that they are parallel to each other. Alright, so I'll repeat the question. If two straight lines are perpendicular to the same line, prove that they are parallel to each other. Alright, so in this diagram we have AB and CD are the two straight lines. Alright, remember they are not parallel, they are simply two straight lines. Alright, we have to show that AB is parallel to CD. So how can we show that AB is parallel to CD? Alright, also we have PQ. So PQ is perpendicular. Alright, so PQ is perpendicular to line AB and CD. Alright, now since AB is perpendicular to PQ, an angle is formed here. Alright, so we know that any angle formed by a perpendicular line will always be 90 degree. So therefore in this case the measurement of angle 1 will be 90. Alright, now here also CD is perpendicular to line segment PQ. Alright, so since it is perpendicular, it will form a 90 degree angle. Alright, so is it clear how a 90 degree angle is being formed? Because AB is perpendicular to PQ, so any angle formed by a perpendicular line will always be 90. So here also same condition. Now we can see that angle 1 and angle 2. So when we add angle 1 and angle 2, so 90 plus 90, how much are we getting? 180. So we can say that what pairs of angle do they form? They form consecutive interior angles. Alright, so they form consecutive interior angles. So therefore angle 1 will be equal to angle 2. So if the two angles are equal, then we can say that AB is parallel to DC, hence proof. All right, so let us write the written portion. All right, this is question number 12. So answer, you first of all you write given, let AB and CD be the two straight line. Let AB and CD be the two straight lines perpendicular. All right, perpendicular to a common line PQ at E and F respectively. All right, so it means that it meets the perpendicular line meets AB at point E, and it meets and the perpendicular line PQ meets CD at F. All right, then to find to prove. All right, to prove, what do we have to prove? AB is parallel to CD. All right, now proof. Since, like I've told you before, since AB is perpendicular to PQ at point E, therefore angle AEF is equal to 90 degree. All right, because angle made by a perpendicular line will always be 90 degree. Again, since CD is perpendicular to PQ at point F, so therefore angle CFE is equal to 90 degree. You name this as equation 2. Now what we will do is we will add equation 1 and 2. We have, so angle AEF plus angle CFE is equal to 90 plus 90. All right, which implies that angle AEF plus angle CFE is equal to 180 degree, which are consecutive interior angles. All right, so so we will write here, so angle AEF and angle CFE are consecutive interior angles. So therefore, since the angles are equal, they form a pair of angles, so therefore AB will be parallel to CD. All right, so reason, since two lines are parallel, all right, since two lines are parallel, when a pair of consecutive interior angles are supplementary, consecutive interior angles are supplementary, that is Supplementary simply means two angles, their measurement will be equal to 180. So this will be your answer. Alright, students, we will be doing the last question, that is question number 16. Alright, so I will just explain to you how you will prove that. Alright, so first let us read the question. Now in the figure, P is a transversal to line M and N. Angle 2 is equal to 180 and angle 5 is equal to 60. So we have to prove that M is parallel to N. Alright, so this will be your diagram. So M and N are the parallel lines. Now M and N, they are two straight lines. Alright, they are not parallel lines. So in this case, what we have to do or to prove is that we have to prove that M is parallel to N. Alright, now from the question, angle 2 is 120 and angle 5 is 60. So in this case, angle 2 is 120 and angle 5 is how much? 60. So how can we show that M is parallel to N? We can show that M is parallel to N only if angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Alright, so if angle 1 is equal to angle 5, it means that the two angles are equal and we can say that M is parallel to N. So let us find the measurement of angle 1. So 1 and 2, angle 1 and 2, what pairs of angle do they form? Yes, they form linear pair. So what is the formula for linear pair? Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180. So 180 minus 120 degree, how much are we getting? 60 degree. Alright, so therefore the measurement of angle 1 is 60. So when we compare angle 1 and angle 5, are they equal? Yes, they are equal. Alright, so we can say that M is parallel to N. Alright, why? Because angle 1 and angle 5, they are equal due to corresponding angles. Alright, so since they are equal, we can say that M is parallel to N. So the written portion, I want you to do it by yourself so that you will have the ability to write sums on your own. Alright, so that's all for today.